Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to buy a stock on eToro. So I'm going to show you everything from A to Z. So we'll go through together how to deposit money, then how to find a stock, how to buy it, and how to sell it. So at the end of this video, if you are a beginner, you will be able to make your first investments. So let's get started with a tutorial without unnecessary chatter. So first, if you don't already have an account with eToro, there's a link right in the description of this video. You can click on it and fill out the form to register. It's very simple. The advantage of eToro is that in addition to the real account, you'll also have a virtual account with 100,000 fake dollars. So you can click on the bottom left to switch to this virtual account, and you can practice like this without taking any risk. So once registered, how do you deposit money? You will simply click on the big blue Deposit Funds button here. You click on it. This window will appear so you can deposit euros or dollars. It's up to you. Then you click Continue. Here you will be able to choose the payment method. So here it will be bank transfer and then continue to enter the amount. For this part, it's very simple. Next, how do you find a stock? To find a stock, there are two solutions. Either you go to search or you type the name of the stock directly at the very top. Here we will go to the search tab. Here eToro will suggest many pre-selected actions, and we can apply numerous filters here, sorted by stocks, ETFs, indices, etc. If you already know the name of the stock you want to invest in, it's best to go directly to the search bar here. So you click on it. So there you type the name directly. You click on the action. And here you arrive directly on the stock's profile. So you have a chart with all the price history that you can view. Below, you have a news feed. So it's going to be a bit like a kind of Facebook. So everyone can write things on this news feed. Next, you have a graph tab where it's for having a much more detailed graph. So it's more for more advanced use here. And to invest, we will simply click on the Invest button. Here, this interface appears. So here we can put a price directly. So there I will put, for example, 50 euros. Below, I can set a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss is something that limits losses, whereas the take profit is the opposite. You can say that if it makes more than $10, you will stop my trade and recover the money. This is to do it somewhat automatically. Also below are the leverage options. So X1 is no leverage, X2 and X5 will multiply your bet. So you can win a lot more, but also lose a lot more if it goes negative. So be careful with that. Next below, you can click on buy, and here you will have a notification to tell you that it's okay. Once you have purchased the stock, how do you manage it? You can go to wallet. Here you will see all the assets you have purchased. If you scroll down, you will be able to find your stock here. You can directly see if you are making or losing money. You can click on the stock name. We can see our stock here, and we can sell it to resell this stock. So close the position, and I have a notification to tell me that it's okay. It has been resold. So there you have it. You now know how to buy and sell a stock on eToro. So don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.